Children, welcome back to the class, to the online classes. In previous, we discussed about representative democracy, institutional representation of democracy. See, in this one we saw universal adult franchise and elections. Yes, in the part 1, we saw about the universal adult franchise and elections. Yes, what is the universal adult franchise? What is the meaning of elections? Can you say? Okay, once again I remember you. Okay, see, universal adult franchise means all the citizens above the age of 18 years, representative of their caste, creed, religion or gender, are given the rights to vote. So we can say this one universal adult suffrage also. Suffrage means what? That is a vakurimai. Okay, so in the past, right to vote was not given to all, but now we have the democracy, so we have the equality. Okay, so in the suffragette movement, pen vakurimai, okay, that is started in 19th and 20th century. So first which country is given the universal adult franchise? That is New Zealand. That is New Zealand. In India, all the people are given right to vote now. Yes, so universal adult franchise is based on one man, one vote. One man, one vote. Okay. Then election visa. Yes, so in elections in India, elections are held in every 5 years. Yes, so election commissions only will be announced. Yes, that we can see now. Okay, so in this one we have saw 3 types. So what is the types? That one, open the mouth and say, children, did you understand or not? Yeah, say now. Yeah, very good. What is the 3 type? One is general elections, one is by-elections, another one is midterm elections. General election is after 5 years, midterm election is before the expiry of 5 years, by-election is death of the representative or seat is vacant. Okay, today we are going to see about the election commissions. Okay, sorry, political parties and coalitions government I said, but now today we are going to first heading is, what is the heading? That one, absolute and simple majority and the election commissions. Okay, see, absolute and simple majority. What is the absolute majority? In the previous class work also I wrote. Yes, what is the absolute majority? That absolute majority means winning more than half of the total votes polled. யாரு அதிகமா பாதிக்கு மேல எடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அவங்க யாரு? Absolute majority. What is simple majority? Simple majority means winning the highest number of votes even if it is one vote more than the rival. போட்ட ஓட்டோட ஒரு ஓட்டு கூட இருந்தா நம்ம அதை என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Simple majority. Means for example Magdalene is taken a 100 vote. Okay, now Janley is taken a 99 vote. So Magdalene is a simple majority. Okay, so for example another we can say Janlyn is taken a 1000 votes. Okay, but Janice is taken a 500 only. So now who is that majority? We can say absolute majority. Janlyn is a absolute majority. Okay, now you can understand, children. Yeah, very good. Now we are going to see the election commissions. Okay, the election commissions of India is responsible for conducting free and fair election in India. Okay, see, this election commission is an agency which came into being as a stipulations in the Indian Constitution for conducting independent and dispassionate elections in India. The election of the Parliament of India and the state legislature and also to the post of the president and the vice president of Indian Union are conducted by the election commissions. Okay, by the இவங்கala யாரால தான் கண்டக்ட் பண்ண முடியும், ஓட் பண்ணனும் நம்மளால, election commission. Okay, so this election commissions of India consists a chief election commissioner and as many election commissioner as is decided by the president of India from time to time. So who is our current election commissioner? Do you know, children? That is Raju Kumar. He takes over as a election commissioner now in the current time. Okay, so they only can announce how we can, when we can poll the vote for the peoples. Okay, so in this also we have the two voting is there. Okay, we have the two voting is there, that is what we can say direct voting, that is here voters vote for the representative MPs are directly elected by the voters in India, and indirect voting also is there, they will announce. Okay, so that is elected representative votes on the behalf of the voters, that is president elections. Okay, children, see, if election is coming means what they will do, what they announce for that one, they are fixation of the election constitutions and they prepare the electoral roll and they announce the election dates. Okay, this commission can announce the election dates and they establish the polling stations where we want to poll the vote, and they will announce who is the nomination of the candidate, யாரு எலெக்ஷன்ல நிக்க போறாங்க, எம்பியா எம்எல்ஏ, அவங்க யாரு, அவங்களோட பேரு எல்லாமே என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, then they will give the commissioner, the election commissioner announce to give the withdrawal of the nomination papers. Okay, this persons only they do. Okay, they have 3 commissioner persons are there. Okay, in this one they only conduct the elections. Okay, and they choose the campaign. Okay, the elections and they what they want to poll, the polling box they will keep the internal places. Yes, and they will count the votes. Okay, the counting of the votes they only decide when they want to count the votes, and when the counting is finished, I said yes, absolute majority, simple majority example also I said yes. So after the counting of the votes they will declare the result. Okay, so that is one of the point, the declaration of that result, they declare who is won in this elections. So this all the works conduct by the election commissioner only. Okay, so with the president of the, they decide of the president, they can change the election commissioner also. Okay, so this election commission supervise the election process. I said they prepare vote list, that only I said yes, though they will announce the elector photo ID who don't have the voters, so they will provide the electoral photo ID, that is vote ID we will say, yes or no. So this commission also gives recognitions and allot symbols to the political parties, okay, and develops a code of conduct to be observed by the political parties, so they can stand in their position, they can announce as a candidates. Okay, see, now we are going to see the, see children, the election commission announce the date of election and the election commission prepares voter list. I said yes children, this is a voting list. Yes, this is what we can say, voter ID we can say. Yes, this one, did you see in your house, your mother and father, did they have children? Yes, so when we are going to poll the vote, we want to bring this electoral photo ID, then only they will allow to poll the vote. Okay, see children, now we are going to see about the electoral constituency, means தேர்தல் தொகுதிகள். Okay, we are going to see the தேர்தல் தொகுதிகள். Okay, for the purpose of the election each state is divided into small unit, so that we can say constituency. Okay, see, similar number of people residing there, only one leader can be elected for a from a constituency. தேர்தல் தொகுதிக்கு ஒருத்தர் என்ன செய்ய முடியும், லீடரா அமைக்க முடியும். They can elect. Yes, so this candidates who are elected from such continents become the members of state assembly or parliament. அந்த நம்ம நிறைய பேர் விடுவாங்க அப்படிதான், தேர்தலில் தொகுதியை அறிவிச்சுட்டு அந்த இடத்துல என்ன செய்வாங்க, கேண்டிடேட்டை விடுவாங்க அப்படிதானே. ஸோ அதில் யார் வந்து ஜெயிச்சு எலெக்ட் பண்ணி வராங்களோ அவங்க எதாவது மாற முடியும், ஸ்டேட் அசம்பிளியாக மாற முடியும், இல்லைன்னா பார்லமெண்ட்டுக்கு என்ன செய்யலாம், அவங்க மாறலாம். சரியா? ஸோ தி இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் ஆல்சோ ப்ரொவைட் ஃபார் ரிசர்வ்ட் கான்ஸ்டியூன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் விச் வேர் தேர் ஷெட்யூல் காஸ்ட் or scheduled trip. Okay, so candidates belong to the different political parties can contest the elections. So the party, that Indian constitution can also provide some seat for the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes candidates. Okay, so belong their political parties. Okay, see, political parties, but that person can stand in that one age is 25. To contest in election, person must be 25 years of age or above. What's the process of the electoral? தேர்தலில் நிற்கணும், நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ப்ராசஸ் வேணும், அவங்க 25 வயசு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கணும், முடிஞ்சிருக்கணும், அவங்க பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டியில் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். The political parties should register themselves with the election commission. Some candidates are independent candidates also there. அது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, சுயாட்சி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படிதானே. அவங்க வந்து கட்சியில் இல்லாமல் கை சூரியன் இரட்டலை அப்படின்னு இல்லாமல் என்ன செய்வாங்க, தனியாக கூட என்ன செய்வாங்க, நிற்பாங்க. அவங்க வந்து சுயாட்சின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ சம் கேண்டிடேட்ஸ் ஆர் த இண்டிபெண்ட் கேண்டிடேட்ஸ். ஓகே, தட் பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டிஸ் they have to register, they should register themselves with the election commissioner. Okay, so the numbers of the seat reserved for them is always in the proportion of their population. அவங்களோட ஜனத்தொகைகளை பார்த்து தான் அந்த இடத்துக்கு ஒரு எம்எல்ஏவோ எம்பியாவோ நிற்க வைப்பாங்க. சரியா? however the voters remain all the adults resigning the constituency. Okay, so we have to vote. Okay, நம்முடைய வாக்குரிமை நம்ம என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, விட்டு கொடுக்க கூடாது. Okay, I said already voting mission. Yes, the electoral photo ID is must, and voting, if you want to vote means we need voting machines. Which simple we like, which party we like, we can poll that one. Okay, so this is provided with of Election Commission of India. Okay, we cannot take own, so this is provided as from the Election Commission of India. Okay children, now we are going to see the political parties. Political party. Now take your classwork note children. That day we wrote, answer the following questions in brief. Now we are going to write the answer the following in detail. Okay, first question, explain the meaning and signification of universal adult franchise. Write neatly children, I give the time for you. Write it fast, write neatly. Yeah, write neatly. Some students, you are not sending the homework to me. Children, write the homework. Daily you want to study. Okay, send the homework to me. We are marking in the book. Leave one line. After finishing one first question, you leave one line and write second question. What are the different types of elections? What are the different type, children? Can you say me? Yeah, general election, by-election, midterm elections. In general elections in India, election take place once in every 5 years. The first election were held in 1951. So this election we can say what, children? General election. Next we are going to see the by-election. Yes. Sometimes when a member of a parliament or state they die or before they completing the 5 years, so they can take the fresh, they can keep the fresh elections. Yes. So this election we can say by elections. So midterm election means what? Under certain circumstances, the president may, or the advice of the prime minister, dissolve the Lok Sabha before the completed the term of the 5 years or order fresh election. That's we can say midterm elections. So this election we can say midterm elections. Okay, so 3 types of elections are there. Okay, children. Now we are going to write the third question. Each question, if you are finished, you leave one line and write. Okay, write neatly also. Okay, children. Third question, what is that? What are the factors on the basis of which our political parties is organized? Basic structure, defined objective, activities on the basics of ideas and principles, general standpoints of the public issues, ultimate objective of attaining governmental power. Okay, write it fast and write neatly, children. You have to study it on that day itself, whatever I given in this video, and what instruction I given, you have to follow it. Okay, children? Okay, don't ever never skip the video. You have to listen the video from beginning to last. It is very, very important. I hope you are all watching the video from beginning to last. Yes or no? Yes. If you listen the video, then only you can understand the lesson. Okay, this is all the important lessons. Okay, in your future, if you are become as a MLA, MP, this is very important for you. So listen this video. Okay, children? Wajir, your handwriting is not good. Write properly. Write neatly. Eku, you also write neatly. I can watch you. Write neatly, children. Harihara Sudan, write neatly, don't turn here and there. Write fast. Jofilda, where are you looking? Write fast. Write neatly. Okay, very good. My children are writing very good. You are good children. Yes, children? Yeah. Children, now we are going to see the previous homework answer. Okay, the day I gave the 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, today we are going to check the answer. Okay, so first answer is franchise or suffrage. Suffrage means what, children? Do you know? Vakurimai. Okay, the first election were held in 1951. Third answer, the Constitution of India ensures to all universal adult franchise citizen. So answer is universal adult franchise. Fourth one, democracies works on the principle of dash per person, one vote. Fifth one, elections take place once in a 5 year. Okay, 5 year. Now homework, we are going to see the homework we want to write. Okay, I give only 2 questions for you children that you study and write. Okay, one time only. Okay, without saying you want to write. What is an elections? What is absolute majority? Only I gave you 2 question only for you. You study and close it the book, note, take your homework and write it. Okay, that is good for you. Okay, children, very good, very good. Children, whatever I am giving in the day, you study that day itself, send your homework. Some children, you are not sending the homework, that is not good for you. Okay, children? Okay, children, you don't roam here and there. Okay, the climate is not good. So, our situation, our the corona, yes, is roaming here and there. Yes or no? So, don't go anywhere without your parents' permissions. Okay, daily you eat the healthy food, drink more water. Is that no, children? I hope my children, what I am saying, you will be do that one. Yes. So my children are very good. Don't eat unhealthy food. Eat healthy food. Okay, children. Don't roam here and there. Okay. So always keep your body and your hands keep clean. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, children.